First, I open my Illustrator and open my drawing file. Drawing file link, check the description box. Now, I use a line segment tool. And it's copy. Then it's select and it's copy. And again, take its. And its copy I use keyboard Alt press. Then again. And it's. Now select and use the Shape Builder tool for color selection. Okay, now other side for remove. Okay, now I use a direct selection tool for rounded. Okay. Now again, take a line segment tool. And its copy. And again, copy. Okay, now it's some remove. And it's some rounded. I use a gradient color for logo and text. Now text. Now take a shape. And now logo and text select and convert small. Okay. Today's video is end, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.